Hi my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Now many a time this thing happens that we do have way too many lighter sarees, but we don't know how to complement them for multiple functions that to come across because we want to give them a heavier look. So today I'm going to share with you all how I have draped this very light chiffon saree along with this brocade heavily embroidered blouse, which could give you guys an inspiration of mixing and matching. I hope you all will enjoy this video, and if you people do, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. You need to have a heavily embellished blouse. In my case, I have used this brocade blouse which has heavy golden embroidery. This golden embroidery matches the kanni of the sari that is available all around. So you want to make sure that at least one feature of your sari matches your blouse, just to make sure that it doesn't look an odd one out freaking thin in the entire whole lot. Then you want to go ahead and do a regular drape as you would normally do. I have just went ahead and pleated the sari or the pallu of the sari in the vertical way and then brought it around, and then measuring the vest of mine, I'm just going to pin it right into the petticoat just to make sure that it remains at place, as well as my vest look a little bit slimmer. Then going ahead towards the pleats, coming a little bit closer to you guys, I'm just going to show you guys how I love to pleat. I've created a scissor out of my first two fingers and my pinky as well as my thumb. So first two fingers help me grab the front section, and pinky and thumb helps me grab the back section of the pleats. That's how I love to create my pleats. Punching them downwards or wriggling them a little bit makes sure that the bottom of the pleats is really very crisp and fine. So you just want to go ahead and do that to make sure that you don't have to work a lot on the bottom section. Then to go ahead and pin it any residual that is available onto the side. Go ahead towards your pleats or your pallu once again, and just artistically pleat your pallu. You want to go ahead and work a little bit more than you would normally do for your pallu to make sure that it's looking perfect. You don't want any mishappenings to be happening with your sari because you're going ahead with something distinct. So just go ahead and pin it right onto there and arrange the pleats to accentuate your figure, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you all have enjoyed today's video, and if you people did, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. With that being said, I'll take your all sleeve and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.